It happens all the time. Drivers not paying close attention, perhaps in a hurry, not realizing just how fast they're going. Then that moment of being held accountable. There's no way out. The officer then asks for the insurance card, and for some speeders, it's just one more blow. Far too often, drivers have insurance, they just don't have the card. At least, not in reach.
I would basically swear to the officer saying, I do have insurance, I really do. But I could not validate it, the actual insurance. I say there has to be a better way.
Rachel Hankerson is the CEO of International Proof Systems, creating an electronic license plate system called the Proof Smart Tag.
Prior to International Proof Systems, Proof Smart Tags, there has not been a system in place to validate who actually has auto insurance, who actually has vehicle registration.
The Proof Smart Tag looks like a regular aluminum license plate on your car, with one big difference. Instead of a state-issued registration sticker, the electronic tag would be embedded into the plate with a real-time visual display of the vehicle's insurance and registration status. The device would also alert the officer on the scene if the vehicle is wanted by the authorities. The data would come via wireless signal straight from government, insurance, and law enforcement computer systems. Even though Hankerson came up with the idea for Proof Smart Tags, it took the Great Recession to get international proof systems off the ground.
A lot of individuals were unemployed, including myself. I have a husband and 3 children, and you can imagine how difficult it is with raising a family with only one income. And so, after rejection letter, I said, okay, I have a great invention. Let me do what our grandparents of 1930 did. Our grandparents rolled up their sleeves and they rebuilt America. Well, since 2010, I literally pitched to everyone, it seemed as though, here in Missouri, trying to get Proof Smart Tags out, build awareness, raise revenue, and obtain support.
Hankerson's big break came last year, not from here in Missouri, but out west in California.
It was actually an angel investor that said, Rachel, you need to see what's going on in California. We want you to participate. We want you to respond to the request for proposal.